Hi, this is River Audio, and this is a little bit of a housekeeping video. And I know many of you have commented that my videos are not as loud as most videos on YouTube, and sometimes that creates difficulty. And I'm very sad to hear that, but I cannot do much about it because what I'm doing is I take my phone, put it on a tripod, and I shoot the video, download the video to my computer, upload it to YouTube, and that's it. I'm not doing any processing on it. I usually, in most cases, don't even have time to watch my videos before I post it, so it's pretty much my videos are like a live show. There's no zero censorship in it, zero control. If I mixed up my words or get my tongue twisted or something, I there's no correction about it. So so that's what you are getting. And why is that? Because this is the only reason that I can put out enough videos to feed the YouTube algorithm. And if I'm putting out less than a video a day, my channel is drastically dying. So I know that there are those of you who really like what I'm sharing, and you are watching my videos the whole length. But what YouTube metrics show is that the average view of my videos is 5 minutes. And also what it shows is if there's a day when I'm not putting out a video, then my view count drops terribly. And it's not just the new viewers who drop in the count, because I can see on YouTube how many of the viewers who watched videos on every single day, how many were subscribers and how many were new. So if I don't put out a new video, it's not just the new person, new people falling off, but the subscribers as well. And if I don't put out videos for 2 or 3 consecutive days, then the view count drops to almost down to zero. And and I know I have software that I can use to edit videos, where I could change the volume, the Davinci Resolve. I have that on my computer. And early in my channel history, I was using it for some of my videos. And so why I am not using it now, why I am not making a service to a lot of my viewers who would want higher volumes, that's because if I do that, that needs a lot of processing. I need to import the videos to DaVinci, I need to adjust things, I need to export it, then I need to upload it. So how that has worked out in the past, what is the actual time requirement? So if I were to do that, then I would be able to put out 1 or maybe 2 videos a week. So what that would mean is that everyone could hear as loud videos as the other YouTube channels are, except that you would not hear it at all, because YouTube would not bring my videos to you anyway, and my new subscribers would evaporate, and my viewers, they also drop their view count. And within a month or two, the channel would be kind of like fizzling out. And that's what I see on YouTube, that if I miss out posting a video, it's not just the view count changes, but people are unsubscribing. I'm losing subscribers when the view count is not there. So if you complain to YouTube too as well, because I am forced to make my videos this way, and this happens because I am not a quote-unquote YouTuber. So my life does not revolve around this channel. I have a normal life, and I take extra time out of my sleeping time, out of my recovery time to share what I know about audio with the world, with you. And I do this for free. And I know people who want to learn this sort of information, and they can pay ridiculous amounts of money and not find a teacher who will teach them this knowledge. And this so I hope that when you are watching this channel, you got to appreciate the insane value that you are getting. And I'm really sorry if you have problem with the volume, but if you invest in maybe a Bluetooth speaker or something really minimal to be able to hear my videos louder, that's your tuition that you pay. and it's a very little money. It's just the pittance to pay to get a very high level of information, much cheaper than doing an engineering degree. And if you do an engineering degree, you are getting a lot of technical advice, a lot of technical things, but it's not focused on music listening, on the quality of music, on how you can put together a system. That's not being taught at an engineering school. You can do your PhD, and what you get with your PhD is that you will be proficient with a minute thing within audio, and you will be proficient with the technical aspect of it. How to translate that technical aspect to a complex setup where you have a room, an audio system, diverse listening material, listening preferences, everything, then that's not being taught at any university, at any academic level. And there's very, very few people in the world who have knowledge like this, and a fraction of these people are willing to share their knowledge, and a fraction of those people who are willing can be heard online. Usually what you can hear is, if you are darn lucky, is maybe a single interview with a person, like a 20-minute or maybe a half an hour or an hour if you are lucky, but then that's it. And you want to hear more, and then maybe you have to wait for years until there's another interview with that person. And yeah, so I'm really sorry to say that my videos are not as loud as my competition, the YouTube channels, which are, like selling chewing gum or I don't know what. But I would say just persevere, and if you are interested, then get yourself Bluetooth speakers or something that you can you can hear, and you don't have difficulties. And if you don't want to do that, my information doesn't have value for you, then I'm really sorry, but at this moment I cannot do much about it. If things radically change in my life, for example, I get a job where I have much more free time, I'm more than happy to get into editing the videos, and then you can get like maybe like buying a fancy camera so you get a clearer picture, and all this kind of stuff. But I don't do that because for now I don't have time for it. And two, if someone is so if you have brains in your head, then you will realize that what the information you're getting, the quality of it is not defined by the resolution of the camera, what the person is sharing. It's defined by what I'm telling you guys. And if you want to hear it, you will find a way to hear it. So for now, unfortunately, this is my only way to share my knowledge through this type of camera situation. And thank you everyone for watching my videos, and I really hope that I do help you in your audio journey to get what you want, to understand more about audio, and have a wonderful, amazing day. And I hope that you didn't have too much trouble about the volume of this video now. So thank you guys. Bye bye.